You get hit by this, it's no coming back. Oh my God, can he stop? Yo, nigga, stop that car. Oh my God. Yeah, look at So most likely every time you see a car club, you see a sticker, either in the front window, the side, or the back. The reason that car club scene and the bike scene is so important to New York is that you can have two guys that are shooting out with each other, right? And on Sunday, if they come, they won't have no beef because they're on the bike. The passion of car and the bikes, it overcomes that. We have a few people out here right now. He's coming in hot.
One of one with a Toyota Supermotor in it. I got a 2JZ engine in it. I got a T56 American transmission and a German car, so it's pretty much a hybrid.
Yo, Ree, they said they don't believe that this car really smokes up. Told you. Shit. Look, he made a mark for life over here. Oh, man. Oh, we came to the battle. And here I got Joey on the right, and we have Reef on the left. All right, you know what? I'm gonna just stay back. Ah! The cops. So it's over. We have fun though. Until next time.
What happened? It's my birthday. It's my birthday. We're having fun today.
I miss the good old days when everything was calm.
I'm just gonna tell him, yo, listen, you got 1,000 horsepower, but I still think I could take you to that light, man. Huh? I got him. I gotta wait for him now. Look. He's still setting up. Yo, what happened, Papi? I'm gonna show you some skills right here. Huh? No. What are you, crazy? Got you, sucker. See, I gotta cheat. 1,000 horsepower to half that? Gotta cheat. See you, sucker. All right, we gotta go back on Astoria Boulevard, all right? I'm a track person. I love going to the racetrack, you know what I'm saying? Like, and settling stuff there.
This is the stupid-ass Belt Parkway. This is the highway I lived on my whole entire life. Every day I take this road right here, go to work. Some days I'm busy, so I'm acting crazy. That's one of my boys right there. We usually ride with each other, like we would tailgate each other like this. Now we go. I don't really like driving anymore unless I'm racing. Plumbers got broken pipes, bartenders don't like making drinks at home, racers don't like driving unless they're racing, bro. It's as simple as that. Coney Island has the oldest amusement park. We're right by the ocean. The bad thing about Coney Island is that it's pretty much labeled as the ghetto, the hood. It's hard growing up out here. In general, growing up in New York, in Brooklyn, is rough because it's very judgmental.
Here I am, Darwin DRJ back home. It's been, it feels like you have so much power, but I don't even want to lose it because it wants to like, I don't want to break it. We're just trying to get the front to hold there. Every time I shift the front to jump out of place, I don't have a front holder to start.
Well, listen, this is how a car meet goes. You're gonna expect a hella cars, a hella noise, fast cars, loud cars, there's obnoxious cars. So it's like each person and his personality. You get what I'm trying to say? Oh, yo, all the members right here. We taking up this whole middle section. It's about to be lit right now. You guys don't understand. You know, you from New York City when you got a hookah in your car meets. Come on, man, get out of here. They don't do that everywhere. Come on, stop it. We out here, man. What's up with you? Check out some of these cars. Look at this. Come on, come on. Yo, you ready to show them what we about? Heavy pavement action, you heard? Do something for us, HVA, you heard? Hold on, you guys ready to see this? New York City, you heard? Everybody make some noise! Yeah! Let's go, hit that bitch. Yo, who's next? Yeah! Yeah! Watch out, watch out! Yeah! Yeah! Do it, Burner! Go, 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 go! Cops. Yes, do it, Burner! New York City, you know the vibe. We don't give a fuck. Niggas are scared to come outside, man. Come on, man. The cops are probably gonna try to kick everybody out, but between you and I, we might have another 30 minutes in here, you know what I'm saying? Watch out, let the cops see. Fuck it, let them see it. Watch out, let them see it. Yo, it's for you. Check this out. Yo, baby. HBA. Hi, yo. That's pretty much the end of it. We got to all start scattering. Look, so many cop cars are going to start coming in here.